Hi guys, this is Anshuman and today I welcome you to our second video of Advanced Formula series. So our today's topic is how to use Hlookup in Excel. So guys, I just want to let you know that Hlookup is horizontal lookup in Excel, and in the previous video we have learned how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. So guys, the only difference between VLOOKUP and Hlookup is that you can use VLOOKUP when your data in Excel is managed vertically. So if your data is not managed vertically and your data is managed horizontally, so guys, if you want to grab a value from such data, you can use Hlookup in Excel. So in this video, we are going to cover some very important topics of Hlookup. That is, what is Hlookup, that I have told you already, that Hlookup is horizontal lookup in Excel. Use of Hlookup, that is where VLOOKUP cannot be used. That is where your data is not managed vertically. Then the third thing that comes is syntax of Hlookup. Then the parameters used in a syntax, and then the major point, that is how to apply Hlookup. So guys, the syntax of Hlookup is just similar to VLOOKUP, and we will discuss it now. So I am going to the next slide in which we will discuss the syntax of Hlookup and the parameters used in its syntax. So guys, whenever we want to use Hlookup in Excel, we have to enter these four values in the formula that we have already discussed while we are learning how to use VLOOKUP. So guys, the first thing is lookup value, that is what to find. That I have already told you that first Excel will ask you that what value should I find from the data that you are entering. Then the second thing is table array, that is the data from which the value is to be find. Then the thing is row index. So guys, in VLOOKUP, we enter column index in VLOOKUP because the number of column we have to select in which our data is present, because our data is managed vertically. However, whenever our data is managed horizontally, so we cannot select column for that, we have to select row for it. So we will enter the row number in this place in our formula. And the next thing is range lookup, that is the exact lookup or the approximate lookup. So guys, now we have learned the four topics from our video. Now the fifth and the major topic is how to basically apply it. So we will learn it now, so let's begin. Okay guys, so before starting, I just want to let you know that you can buy this amazing Excel ebook by the link given in the description of the video at a very nominal price of rupees 20. In this book, I have give you a detailed description of what is VLOOKUP and Hlookup and some advanced ways of using it in your sheet by which you can see the enhanced usage of VLOOKUP. So it by this it is a very good book, and also you have the link to download the working file of this workbook in the PDF that you will get. So please buy it. So guys, here as you can see that I have a table that contains the score of some players that they have gained in some game they had played, and there is a result place where I just want to display the score of the player whose name is written over here. So basically we cannot apply VLOOKUP over here because our data is not managed vertically. So if I try to just apply the VLOOKUP, so you can see that it cannot able to find this value in this place because the data is not managed vertically. So if I place 2 and false over here, you can see that it cannot return me any value. It is returning me Arpit because the data that I have given it is this. That is the row 2 from which it has to find Anshuman and give me the data that is given in the second place. So for this we can use only Hlookup. So we will apply now Hlookup here. So first thing that you can see that it is asking is lookup value. That is what it has to find. So I have selected this cell. Now we will go to the table array, that is the table from which the data is to be find, and then I will select the row index number, that is the second row. So I'll type 2 over here, then I will write the false for exact match. So then I close the bracket and then you can see it will give me the result 20. So because it is horizontal lookup, so it is not looking the value like this way, it is looking the value in this way. So I hope you can understand the difference between the VLOOKUP and Hlookup and the places where we have to use Hlookup and VLOOKUP does not apply. So if you have any query, you can place it in the comment box. Also, please subscribe this channel and also join our Facebook group for various discussions that are going on there, and you can also post your queries over there and we will answer it. So please join it, and also buy that book that I have given in the middle of this video to get some advanced way of using VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Okay, thanks.